Welcome to TBITalk.com, where your brain gets better.
Neuroplasticity is defined as a brain's ability to reorganize and regenerate neural connections. This means, after a neurological event such as a stroke or brain injury, the brain has the ability to recover. Research shows us that this neuroplasticity is strongest when linked to meaningful or familiar occupations. Occupation doesn't refer to employment, but rather the everyday tasks that engage your attention or motivation. Occupations could be as simple as bathing, dressing, or brushing your teeth. They could be as complex as cooking Thanksgiving dinner, fishing, playing catch with your grandson, or gardening. Occupational therapy's goal is maximizing functional independence, either by improving the skills needed to complete the task, by modifying the task itself. When you meet your occupational therapist, they will begin to explore the roles that make you, you. Are you a mother, father, grandparent, quilter, artist, hunter, gardener, secretary, carpenter, driver? Your treatment should be as unique as you. Neuroplasticity is strongest when linked to meaningful occupation. During a neurologic recovery, your treatment interventions should be as unique as you are. This means using those roles and tasks that define you as a means to regenerate neural pathways and regain function. Occupational therapists can be analytical, creative, and determined to find the right solution to any problem. In addition to breaking down a task to work on functional deficits, OTs are trained to modify equipment or the task for success. Whether it's one-handed buttoning aids, long handles reachers, anti-tremor feeding utensils, voice-activated technology for hands-free home access, or a customized fishing pole holder, OTs will find the right tool to get the job done.